calculations with negative exponents. Let's work with powers with negative exponent in the numerator. Simplify the expression 4 to the power of negative 2 over 3 and express your answer with positive exponents. Consider the expression in the numerator. The base is 4 and the exponent is negative 2. Recall the rule for negative exponents. We invert the base and change the sign of the exponent. We move the base 4 to the denominator and change the sign of the exponent to positive. That gives us 1 over 48. Thus, we can see that a factor with a negative exponent in the numerator becomes a factor with a positive exponent in the denominator. Let's take an example where the denominator has a power with a negative exponent. Let's calculate the value of an expression where x is in the numerator and the denominator is negative 2, the whole raised to the power of negative 3. In the denominator, the base is negative 2 and the exponent is negative 3. Recall the rule for negative exponents. We invert the base and change the sign of the exponent. So negative 2 moves to the numerator and the sign of the exponent becomes positive. So we get x times negative 2, the whole raised to the power of 3. We write the power in the expanded form and simplify. We get x times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. That gives us negative 8x. So we can conclude that a factor with a negative exponent in the denominator becomes a factor with a positive exponent in the numerator.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Maskly to help you and let the math finally start mathing.